Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Air Jordan 1 next chapter, so let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box, plain cardboard box. All it says, well, depending on where you live, maybe it's a different box, but mine just says we are offsetting 100% of the carbon emissions for this shipment. So plain cardboard box, that's it. So let's open this box up. All right, so first look is the classic Air Jordan 1 box. So let's pull it out. Let's throw this to the side. So like how I said, it's the regular Jordan 1 box, black and red, and of course I'm a size 9, so I had to get it in my size so I can do the on feet for you guys. And so here's the sizing. We have the Nike with the Nike swoosh underside, plain and simple. And so let's see how they look. All right, and then the paper, regular paper as well, nothing special. So let's see which side opens first. All right, so they both have their own paper. They usually do them in just one. So here's the first one. And so let's see how they look. All right, this looks a little weird to me because there's a whole bunch of different materials. So there's suede, and then there's the leather, of course. The tongue is still regular polyester. The sole is almost like translucent in a way, not too much, but there you guys go. There is the shoe. This is the back. You have the little dotted design because these are the Jordans that are coming out in the new Spider-Man movie. So these are inspired by that, of course. Regular tongue, nothing special. It's very noticeable in person. I don't know if the camera catches it, but on the inside, we have another Nike Air insole. Nothing too special as well. So let's get both of these shoes out so you guys can get a better look at both of them, and let's see how they look together. All right, so getting into the details a little bit more, we have on the ankle like this reflective little color. It's like, I'm not sure how to describe it, but hopefully the camera picks it up and you guys see what I'm talking about. But that's a little detail on the black leather on the ankle collar, and also the Nike swoosh, because the black leather is also on the swoosh on both sides as well. And then also we have the Jordan Wings logo, but they're in half of the logo, well, not half of the logo, but the half of the material behind the logo is different. It crosses with the dotted texture versus the hexagon. It looks like a hexagon. So like the hexagons on the edges, and I'll be getting the close-up so you guys can see that a little bit better. But for now, I'm just doing a little quick review. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Nothing too crazy with this shoe. It is just inspired by the new Spider-Man movie coming out. And so yeah, let me get you guys the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get up to wrapping the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on these Air Jordan 1s. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would rock or if you guys would drop. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll see you in the next one.